Hello everybody, my name is Shivaravindra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain you the scenario 2, real-time project scenario 2. So here the question is, so most of the common questions asked by the interviews people are, so did you created any standard macro? Are you working on any standard macro? If yes, cases, can you explain me one macro which is useful for your programming purpose? So that time every programmer had confused, what type of macro we need to explain, because they have worked on so many macros, but still they have not recollected at that time. So for that purpose, I am showing one macro here. So that is the supplementary data set merging with the main data set macro. So okay, so every SDTM has some most of the SDTM main domain along with the supplementary domains are present in the SDTM folder. It comes to the Adam, so we need to transpose the particular SDTM supplementary data set into the main data set. We can frame one Adam data set, right? So in that cases, every time no need to write a code for everything. So we can create one macro so that we can call that macro to merge the main SDTM data set with the supplementary of SDTM dataset in the Adam programming. So here I have left side I shown you the basic code. What do you do? So for example, AE supplementary domain merging with the SDTM AE domain, we need to create the AE sequence first in the supplementary dataset, transpose, and we can merge back to here. So in the same step, I can macrotize the macro name I have given as SDTM underscore sub. This macro here you can see ampersand data. We simply pass the domain of which SDTM domain, which supplementary domain need to be marked, and this steps to I just converted into the macro programming, so that simply calling the data set, so automatically the main data set along with the supplementary data set merge together and create the final data set. This final data set directly we can use for the Adam programming. So this macro we can explain, I can explain to the interview people, like first we need to take the supplementary data set, then create the sequence variable, then sort the subject and sequence variable and transpose the variables. By variables are subject and sequence, id variable is qnam, var variable is qval, and id label is qlabel. So label also if you want to give, you can write the id label equal to qlabel. After that one, you have to merge subject and sequence number wise into the main data set, so that all supplementary variables are transposed, then remerged to the main data set. Here how the transposing process and data set I am showing here. Here you can see previously here like this supplementary, all supplementary data set have a common variable. The information might be different based upon the data set, but the variable name, the 10 variables you can see, subject, id var, qnam, qlabel, qval, etc. variables you can see. So here what are the qnam information we converted into the variable names. After that one we merge all these variables to main domain. So this is macro you can explain to him so they can satisfy. So this is the second scenario of real-time project. If you want more videos like this, you can watch my YouTube channel. Thank you.